I dropped my first vid in 09, and by the end of 011, little Benny got signed. I must have got 6 figures, they're assuming I'm nice. They used to tell me that I'm scruffy, now they told me I'm fly. I've got money in my wallet, money in my pocket, money on the streets and that money getting profit. Broke for too long, I'm on a money getting project. Now I'm getting money, word to mommy, I ain't stopping. Started at the bottom, now I'm trying to end above them. Don't know why they hate, I'm only filling up my cupboard. If you over 30 and you broke, you a sucker. Hello black, get that way $1. Certified banks, I know that everybody knows that I say it how it is and I ain't saying it for sure. Heading for the throne and I did it on my own. Got my whole fucking area saying that I've blown. Rack City bitch, 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 rack City with a bit about a bing in there. Rack City bitch, 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 rack City with a bit about a bing in there. I got the looks of my mama, attitude of papa, round fuck with my brother, shout my sister car lover. I rep for each and every single hustler when they come up and I trap the car. I had to get a trap because I wanna. Thanks Mr. Aloe Black, I need $1. Swear on my mother's, I ain't never been a sucker. Couple man around me moving nutty with a chopper. Man can hold copper, right, running to the coppers. Certified banks, I got these rappers on their toes. I got money in the bank, they probably spending it on clothes. Smoking it and drinking it and spending it on hoes. Used to try and give me money, now they asking me for loans. Get your money right, keep your pocket tight, say what's on your mind, there's a lot on mine. Man, I love my life, and I don't wanna die. I'm from a place where there ain't nothing nice. Rack City bitch, 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 rack City with a bit about a bing in there. Rack City bitch, 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 rack City with a bit about a bing in there. Talking like they know me, what's my middle name? I said I'm all about the paper, I ain't here for fame. I'm trying to get that young money, call me Little Wayne.